Let's have a look at our integration with Fluent Forms. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be using the contact form demo from Fluent Forms and create a form connection. Head over to Simply Static, Forms, and create a new form connection. We call it contact form 10. We choose local WP, webhook, we select Fluent Forms, and now we need to get the form ID. So switch to your front end and open up the inspector controls. Have a look for the form tag. Each form created with Fluent Forms has a unique ID that we need to copy. Copy the value and switch back to your backend. Add the form ID. Next, we need a webhook URL. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're gonna be using FormSpree, which has a generous free tier that you can use to get started. Switch to your FormSpree backend. Click on Add New Form. We call it Contact Form 10 and click on Create Form. Now copy the form endpoint and switch back to your backend. Add the webhook URL. We are not going to be customizing the feedback right now, but if you want to change the messages, feel free to do so. Now publish the connection. Switch to Simply Static, Generate. Click on Generate Static Files to create a new static export. The export is finished now. Let's switch to our static website. Refresh the page and fill out the details. The form was submitted now. Let's switch to our FormSpree backend to check if we got a submission. Go to Submissions, and as you can see, there is a new submission. Open it, and you will notice this is the submission we've done from our Fluent Forms on our static website, directly sent over to FormSpree